Now, the school funding formula has become a product of the state Supreme Court. The state Supreme Court has mandated that the overwhelming majority of state money go to a small number, about 30 school districts in New Jersey, our urban school districts. Now, this has been an experiment that's been going on for 20 plus years now, and yet we don't see much, if any, improvement in our urban schools. So the Supreme Court's theory that if you put more money in it, it's going to just by magic get better, has proven to be wrong. And so if people wonder why I want to change the Supreme Court, it's because I don't have the flexibility to change the school funding formula if the same people at the Supreme Court who've been making these decisions stay there. Because they're the ones who think this is a good system. They've taken the power out of the hands of the legislature to make this judgment and out of the hands of the governor, and the courts are making it. Well, that's wrong. If judges want to legislate, they should run for the legislature. And so this is a long-term process, but maybe not quite as long as people would think. I'm going to have the ability to nominate 4 justices out of 7 on the Supreme Court in my first term. I've already nominated one of them. I nominated Anne Patterson to be on the Supreme Court to replace Justice John Wallace. I did not reappoint him because, as I said at the time, I believe he was part of the problem, not part of the solution on a liberal, activist court that is taking authority away from the people you elect into people that you don't elect and that you can't affect. You want to talk about having a difficult time affecting a governor. At least you get a shot at me every 4 years. The Supreme Court justices, you never get a shot at. They're put there and they believe they should stay there without any responsiveness to the people of the state. So when you read, as you will read, some of the stuff about me trying to change the Supreme Court and replace the Supreme Court, it's about issues like that. The people making those decisions should be the people who you elect and who you can kick out if they're making decisions that you think are bad decisions, not decisions to be made by 7 people in black robes who are elected by no one and who believe that they are not a co-equal branch of government, but a superior branch of government.